This is the new Oppo Find N5, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now these two devices are not necessarily direct competitors, but at the same time, they are two of the hottest phones out right now. Now what's wild to me is that even though the Oppo is a foldable device, it's actually pretty much the same thickness as the S25 Ultra. So that really is super impressive. Now with the Oppo Find N5, of course, we do have the inner display as well. This is a foldable device, so this is the signature feature of the phone. Whereas with the S25 Ultra, we do have the S Pen, which is one of the signature features. Of course, the S Pen this year is worse than last year, but that's a whole separate conversation. But again, look at how thin this phone is. It's almost like a joke. Now what's interesting too is that even though the Oppo is a foldable device, the front display here is actually very close to the size of what we're getting here with the S25 Ultra. So the S25 Ultra has a 6.9-inch display, and then the cover display here on the Oppo Find N5 is 6.62 inches. So while this device is decently more expensive than the S25 Ultra, keep in mind what we're getting here. We're getting 80-watt fast charging compared to Samsung's super slow 45-watt fast charging. The battery's even bigger at 5,600 milliamp hours compared to 5,000 milliamp hours. And while the Galaxy does have an additional camera here, it also gives us a 5x zoom, we are at least getting a 3x telephoto camera here with the Oppo Find N5, along with a 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. But I hope this video can spark a sort of conversation on whether or not you should get the S25 Ultra or if you should get the Oppo Find N5. I know that these phones, again, don't directly compete, but at the same time, they're both very premium smartphones, and I'm sure there are going to be a lot of people out there trying to decide which direction they should go.